What's the haps, everyone? Hey, Coach Megan here, and we are going to try and straighten that cartwheel out. Are you tired of just being a crooked cartwheel person? Well, you've come to the right place. So let me show you the drill first. You're gonna need a floor balance beam, but if you do not have a floor balance beam, a piece of tape will do just fine. Start nice and tall, not all the way at the end of the beam, not all the way this way. I'd say about midway, slightly back. But you're probably a shorter person than me if you're a kid, so then you'd be about halfway. Hands go towards the end of the beam. You're gonna take 2 table mats and you're gonna put the first one right behind the beam and the second one, leave a little space. If you're shorter than me, I'm like 5'3" exactly on the buzzer, then you're probably gonna wanna move this just a little bit closer. And the way you can test it is just do a lunge with your hips square, nice and solid, weight on the front leg. And then wherever your feet are, that's where you want the mats to go. So the purpose of this is the balance beam or the tape forces you to get your hands on that beam or the tape, because that is going to create the straight line. Now, if you're a little scared to go for it like that, if you're more starting out, what you can do is get down low. I'm doing a righty version, by the way. And put your hands on the beam. Obviously, you have to turn them. First one turns a little bit, second one turns a little bit more. Put your good leg, which is my right, close to your hand. Not like all the way, a little bit back, but not too far, right about there. You're gonna get your balance. The hardest part is getting your balance. Pretend like you're a circus person on the high wire and you really gotta just stay on there. So get that balance. Move that foot back maybe a little bit more, maybe like that. And then you're gonna look at your hands, of course, straight arms, and you're gonna just do a baby one, a mini one. You see that? Now, what you wanna think about is your second leg. A lot of kids will land the first foot okay, but then their second foot goes right next to the first foot. Kind of like this. Oops, see, I even lose my balance. Oh my gosh. They go like that. So really work on getting that second foot to that carpet. Now the way you're gonna get this is, my hair's all messed up. I just ran up the stairs a million times and I'm a little frizzy, whatever. I'm gonna show you the behind view. As you come out of your cartwheel, you have to keep your hips and shoulders straight and then pull your arms up together. Because a lot of people, they're gonna twist like this. We're not doing the twist, people. We're doing a cartwheel. And you really gotta just keep those hips straight. So you can practice the end of the drill. Either if you're on the tape or the beam, put your bad leg forward because you're gonna land your cartwheel on your poopy leg, the bad leg. Make sure these are straight too, because that would defeat the whole purpose. So put your hands on the beam, lift your back leg up. A lot of kids drop this leg, you gotta hold it up. And then from here, pull your arms up to your ears, hips straight, and hold your lunge for 3 seconds. You can do that maybe 10 times. Do the baby one, and then when you're ready for the big shebang, you just go for it. And I found with this, a lot of kids that try and they're scared and they'll be like, and they go a little slow, kind of, and then they kind of fall. If you go a little bit quicker, it's really gonna help you out. Keep your feet over your head. Try not to arch so you don't go over. And get a spot. And like like I said, do it on the ground first with the tape. Then when you have that mastered, you can come to the beam. But I'm telling you, this has helped a lot of my students. Like everything seems to just like click in the mind. It just all comes together. So I'll show you one more time. Nice and tall. I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna go right into it. Really reach out into that cartwheel. See that? And make sure you focus on your hands in the cartwheel, and you want the hands to go bump up. Don't put them down at the same time. Really get that back leg up. And I'll put my whole cartwheel tutorial above so you can just gather all of the cartwheel material for your brain. Alrighty, thanks for watching, everyone. I really hope this drill helps you. You can do it. And you know, always think pointed toes, straight legs, of course. Strong arms, push your shoulders up. Blah, blah, blah. All right, here's your end of the video trick. Alrighty, over and out. We'll see you around. And you can check out, download my app for all my videos to find them. They're all categorized. Okay, see you later.